কেমন আছো সবাই? আমি ভালো আছি, তোমরাও ভালো আছো আশা করছি। তো আজকে আমি দেখাবো অ্যানুয়াল অ্যাসেসমেন্ট 2006 অ্যাসেসমেন্ট গাইডলাইন্স ফর কন্ডাক্টিং অ্যানুয়াল এক্সামিনেশন 2024 ফর দ্য সেকেন্ডারি লেভেল এডুকেশন ইনস্টিটিউশন। ওকে ডিয়ার লার্নার, লেটস গো। Out of 100 marks allocated for the assessment of each subject, the summative assessment will carry 70%. What states while the Constitution's assessment will carry the rate of 30%. Okay, dear learners. So let's go ahead. Subject-wise guideline for conducting annual summative assessment for the academic year 2004. Subject English, Grade 6. Guideline for developing questions. Okay, dear learners, syllabus for annual examination 2024. The experience number 6, 7, 9, 11, 13, 14, 15, 17. And you can see here page numbers. Title and experience. Next, assessment format. Continuous assessment 30% and summative assessment 70%. You can see here. And number D, continuous assessment take type and marks distribution. Name of items, task, mark allocated. Okay, dear learner, total 30 marks. Homework as specified by the teacher and class work, individual or group work, completing table chart, follow chart, etc. as given in the 11th experience. See the syllabus in section B of the text. Number 10, and project work. Assignment as specified in the relevant experience. See the syllabus in section B of the textbook. Number 10, total number will be 30%. And here you can see that summative assessment take type and marks distribution. Type of examination written and full marks will 100 and time 3 hours. 3 hours. Skill or competencies covered. Type test takes time, items, number of items and total marks. You will see and write down your khata. Others. Here we can see that reading marks will 25 and appreciating poems 10 marks and grammar skills only 30 marks. And you can see here reading skills are developing MCQ and short answer questions, true and false, matching, and appreciating poems short answer questions, one word or number answer, matching, rhyming words. And you can see here in grammar included punctuation and capitalization, chain use of adjectives, writing synonym, writing sentence using adjective, identifying adjective, and corresponding nouns in a given text, use of modals, and last of all writing section 35 marks. Written letter or email, text message. Number will 10 and writing stories number will be 15 and writing dialogue 8, total 100 marks. Okay, so no more today. Next I will discuss about sample question. ওকে, তো সবাই ভালো থাকবে, সুস্থ থাকবে। নেক্সট ক্লাস I will discuss about sample